Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Geneva. Thank you so much for being here. In today's video, we have a little Tiffany and Co unboxing. So if you want to see what I snagged, then please continue to watch. Okay, we are just gonna jump right in. Here is the box. I haven't unopened it or anything, so this is a true unboxing. So here is the item. So it comes in that beautiful Tiffany and Co, that beautiful Tiffany blue. So this is what the box looks like. And I'll take the item out in just a second. Looks like here is care instructions. Is that what's in this one as well? Certificate of authenticity. That's just what was inside there. Also a cleaning cloth and the beautiful item that we have. So I grabbed, these are so cute. I grabbed the Tiffany HardWear sunglasses with like the square frame. And if you guys saw me unboxing my Tiffany bracelet, in that video, I said that the HardWear collection is my favorite collection. They have earrings and necklaces and so many really, really pretty pieces. And when I saw the sunglasses, I knew that I just wanted to have them in my sunglass collection, and I haven't seen any reviews on YouTube of these shades, so I wanted to, if anybody else was interested in these, I will definitely have it linked below, but I just wanted to give you guys some insight. So this is what the sunglasses look like. If you can see close up here, it has your Tiffany and Co right there in the corner. These are called the HardWear because this is the signature link that Tiffany offers. And this is what sold me on it because I love the HardWear design. And then you'll see, of course, the arms are black, but then they added that really nice Tiffany blue, which looks so nice. And then you'll see as well, let's see if you can see there, it has Tiffany and Co at the very end of the arm. And it's the same thing on this side. It says Tiffany and Co as well. And then on the actual inside of the arms, it just says Tiffany and Co and made in Italy. So you guys can see that is, it's so bright outside. So that is what is listed there. So let's go ahead and try them on and see what they look like on me, if I love them. Oh my goodness, I do. Okay, I'm obsessed. I was concerned because I have a larger, rounder face, so I was concerned about whether or not these were going to be big enough. These are a size 53 mm, and I just absolutely love these. I needed a really good black pair of shades, and these just absolutely hit the mark. I love the detailing, and it's like, if you know, you know, because it doesn't have the Tiffany branding anywhere else except for right here. You'd have to be really, really close to me to see it, but just knowing that the links are right there, you know that it is a pair of Tiffany sunglasses. And I just think these are absolutely gorgeous. I love them so much. So yeah, this is what they look like on me. And yeah, I'm absolutely in love. This is going to be a really quick, short video. I just wanted, if you're out here looking for them, and they have them in different styles too, like they had the rounder ones, but I didn't think that they would look really good on my face shape. So that's why I went with the square ones. But I just think that they are absolutely gorgeous. And my favorite part of them is that Tiffany HardWear. I love the link right here. It just looks so cute. So yeah, that's what these look like. And yeah, I did also want to say one other thing, because my bracelet is actual sterling silver, but these shades are not sterling silver. So don't pick these up thinking that you're going to get a sterling silver piece. These are definitely, I can feel, they're definitely just plastic. And you know, you're paying for the name, you're paying for the style, you're not paying for the actual item, because otherwise these would be way cheaper. So just know that this is not Tiffany sterling silver. This is just a plastic material, but I still love the detailing and the style of it. I just wanted to make sure that you guys were aware of that, so you're not thinking that you're picking up like a piece that's going to have weight to it like this. These are very, very lightweight glasses, and they're just simply gorgeous. These shades have 100% UV protection, and they also have an anti-glare coating on them. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for being here. And if you're new to my channel, I am Geneva and I offer lifestyle content. Sometimes you'll see luxury unboxing, sometimes you'll see fashion, sometimes you'll see travel, sometimes you'll see home decor. It's a variety. Whatever is going on in my life is what I like to present to you guys. So it is truly a lifestyle channel, and I hope you like this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you want to see my sunglass collection, and be sure to come back. Thank you guys so much for being here, and you know I gotta put on my shades. All right, have a great day. Thank you. Bye.